Good morning, dear student. So, now in the previous video, we are describing the introduction part of yes block element. In that yes block element, we says that first A and second A group elements are present. Now, after that, I am describing the block diagram of a periodic table and also explain the comparative study of a S block element. The one property is described in the previous video. This one is the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is described in the previous video. Now today I am going to describe here the atomic and ionic radii. What is meant by the atomic radii as well as ionic radii? It is the distance between the nucleus of an atom to the outermost shell, where the probability of finding an electron is a maximum. That means it is the distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. It is the distance between the nucleus to the outermost shell, where the probability of finding electron is a maximum, is known as a atomic radius. Similarly, in case of ion, the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shells of that particular is known as a ionic radius. This ionic radius as well as atomic radius are measured in unit of angstrom or pm or picometer. Angstrom or picometer. This length is measured in terms of angstrom or picometer. The variation of this atomic and ionic radii in a period as well as in a group, how to change, how the atomic as well as the ionic radii are changed along a period or in a group. So I am explaining here the atomic radius decreases in a period. Atomic radius decreases in a period and increases in a group. Why? The atomic radius decreases in a period or increases in a group. Why? In period, when we move from left hand side to right hand side, that means LHS to RHS, that is from first A to second A group element, in the same period atomic radius decreases due to increase in a nuclear charge. When we move from LHS to RHS, then the atomic number is increases. So the nuclear charge is increases. That means the attraction between the nucleus and outermost shell is also increases. So the atomic size along a period decreases. But in case of a group, when we move from top to bottom in a group, that means from lithium to francium and from beryllium to radium. In case of a first A group element, when we move from top to bottom, that means lithium to francium. And in case of a second A group element, when we move from beryllium to radium, then the atomic radius increases. Why? Because when we move from top to bottom in a group, then the atomic number is increases. So the addition of extra shell takes place there. That means the distance between the nucleus and outermost shell is also increases when we move from top to bottom in a group. So the atomic as well as the ionic radii is increases when we move from top to bottom in a group. Now the ionic radii is also show a same trend. That means like the atomic radii, ionic radii is also shows the same trend. First A group element have a largest atomic radii in their corresponding periods. Now the third point is the ionization potential. The short form of ionization potential is written there, I dot P dot, and it is also called as the ionization energy. The short form of this ionization energy is I dot E dot. The ionization, what is meant by the ionization potential? That means it is the potential required to ionize the compound. That means the ionization potential is defined as the amount of energy required to remove most loosely bounded electron from an isolated gaseous atom. It is the minimum amount of energy. Ionization potential or ionization energy is the minimum amount of energy required to remove most loosely bounded electron. Most loosely, this is the important word, most loosely bounded electron from an isolated gaseous atom is known as the ionization potential or ionization energy. The variation of this ionization potential in a period as well as in a group are described here. Its value increases, ionization potential value increases in a period and decreases down the group. Why? Some reasons are given here. In periods, when we move from LHS to RHS, when we move from LHS to RHS in the same period, the first ionization potential increases due to increase in nuclear charge and stability of a completely filled NS subshell in a second A group element. In a period when we move from left hand side to right hand side in the same period, the first ionization potential increases. Why? So in case in a period when we move from LHS to RHS, atomic number increases, atomic size decreases. Atomic number increases, that means nuclear charge is also increases, atomic size decreases. So the attraction between the nucleus and outermost shell electron is more in case of a second A group element as compared to first A group element. So the amount of energy required to remove the electron from the last shell is this energy require more for second A group element as compared to first A group element. So the ionization potential value is increases when we move from LHS to RHS. In case of a group, when we move from top to bottom, when we move from top to bottom in a group, that is from lithium to francium and from beryllium to radium, the ionization potential value decreases due to increase in atomic size. When we move from top to bottom in any group, then the atomic size is increases. That means the attraction between the nucleus and outermost shell electron decreases. So the less amount of energy is required. So the less amount of energy is required to remove the electron from the last shell of an atom. When we move from top to bottom in a group, atomic number increases, atomic size is also increases. That means due to the increase in the atomic size, the nuclear attraction, the attraction between the nucleus and outermost electron is decreases. So the less amount of energy is required to remove electron from the last shell of an atom. That's why the ionization potential value is decreases. The lithium require more energy, francium require less energy, beryllium require more energy. Why? Because the atomic size is less. So the maximum amount, atomic size less or atomic size small, so the attraction between the nucleus and outermost electron is more. So the maximum amount of energy is required to remove the electron from the outermost shell as compared to radium. So the ionization potential value decreases due to increase in the atomic size. The second ionization potential, आता अभी second ionization potential, the second ionization potential means what? It is the amount of energy required to remove second electron from the last shell of an atom is known as second ionization potential. To remove the second electron, energy required to remove second electron from the last shell of an atom is known as a second ionization potential. The second ionization potential of a first A group element is higher than the second A group. This is due to the removal of one electron. The alkali metal gets noble gas configuration. Why the second ionization potential of a first A group element is higher as compared to second A group element? Because when in case of first A group element, when we remove one electron from the last shell of an atom, then it possesses the electronic configuration of noble gas. That means, suppose we have considered here a sodium atom. In a sodium atom, the last shell contain only one electron. When we have to find here the second ionization potential, then the first electron remove. After removal of first electron, the sodium atom carries the electronic configuration of inert gas like neon, and it is a stable electronic configuration. Therefore, maximum or more amount of energy is required to remove the electron from the such a type of a stable element as compared to second A group element. The first A group element have a lowest ionization potential. First A group element have a lowest ionization potential in their corresponding periods. There is one example. One examples are given here. The first ionization energy of beryllium is 895 kilojoule per mole. Beryllium changes to beryllium positive ion plus electron. The first ionization potential is equal to 895 kilojoule per mole, and the second ionization potential of beryllium is 1557 kilojoule per mole. For the second ionization potential, beryllium positive ion changes to beryllium dipositive ion plus 2 electron, and the second ionization potential is 1557 kilojoule per mole. As it is clear that the second ionization potential value of a group first A element is greater than the first ionization potential value. It is difficult to remove an electron from the positively charged particle than from neutral atom. So I here explain the तो इस प्रकार से आज के वीडियो में एटॉमिक रेडियस और आयोनिक रेडियस क्या होती है और वो पीरियड्स और ग्रुप में किस प्रकार से वेरी होती है ये हमने बताया। उसके बाद आयोनाइजेशन पोटेंशियल, फर्स्ट आयोनाइजेशन पोटेंशियल और सेकंड आयोनाइजेशन पोटेंशियल के बारे में आपको बताया है, और अच्छे से जो नोट्स भी आपको प्रोवाइड किए हैं, आप इस नोट्स को अच्छे से स्टडी करें, और ये वीडियो देख के नीचे दिए गए गूगल फॉर्म में जो क्वेश्चन दिए उनके आंसर ज़रूर दें, यही आपसे अपेक्षा करता हूँ। ओके, थैंक यू।